Two white cups and I got that drink.
Tatanggalin muna natin ang system unit case. Then, tatanggalin natin yung HDD. Ang function ng HDD stores all of your digital content. Tatanggalin natin yung CPU fan. Ang function ng CPU fan, cool down the processor. And then, tatanggalin natin sa magkabilaan ang RAM. Ang function ng RAM ay keeps data easily accessible so your processor can quickly find it without having to go into long-term storage to complete immediately processed tasks. And then, tatanggalin natin yung CPU. Ang CPU ay brain ng computer. Ito naman ang ating motherboard. Connects all of the internet components like the memory, processor, graphics card, and other hardware. SATA defines how data it transfers between a computer, motherboard, and mass storage devices. CMS is able to order hardware settings and password information to store important system settings and configurations such as the data and date. Power supply frequency to power the load.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has a state so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tee up all the vulnerable. In every loss, all the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream we're unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love.
Ilagay ang keyboard ng port sa system unit sa likuran, pati rin ang mouse ilagay din. Then pag naglagay na siya, lagay din natin yung port niya sa ibaba, then ilagay natin sa power supply. Then kuha tayo ulit ng port para doon naman sa may PC ilalagay natin siya doon, or ito yung tinatawag na HDMI. At isa pang port para sa power niya. Then ilalagay siya sa power supply. Then lalagay natin ulit sa power supply sa pangalawa. Then sa extension na siya. Then titingnan natin kung ito ba ay nag-working, kung naayos ba natin lahat at napagana. Open natin yung power supply button. Makapag-bias, ilagay natin ang ating flash drive, bootable flash drive. Then open natin yung system unit. Then click natin lagi ang F2 para mag-bias. Pindutin natin yung boot sequence, tapos yung Windows, ibaba natin siya. And then punta sa apply, check mo, then okay, tapos punta ka na ng exit. Direct lang yan, bala dire-diretso lang siya. Hintayin natin na may lumabas ulit ng Windows Server. Then, enter mo lang ng next. Yan, start. Install now. Enter mo lang yun. Tapos, i-click mo yung pangalawa. Then, next. Then, i-check mo yung sa baba. Accept. Tapos, next. Tapos, punta ka sa costume. Then, tanggalin mo yung iba na hindi kailangan. Ang ititira mo lang dyan yung allocated. Then, hatiin mo yung partition niya. Pag nahati mo na, apply. Then, okay. Then, tanggalin mo ulit yung iba. Kasi titira mo ulit yung allocated. Pero pwede mo rin i-next mo na lang diretso. Tapos ganito yung lalabas. Pag na-full na yan ng hanggang 100%, then magano na siya, bibilang na siya hanggang 10 seconds. Tapos magba-blackout na yung computer. Tanggalin mo na yung flash drive para hindi masira. Then automatic na yun, meron ka ng server.